Okay, we are live. We are live now. Yeah, we are live. Okay. So hi everybody. I'm here to share a little of my is a side project. Yeah, because actually I'm an employee of a company, and I create some applications for myself because I like to learn. I like to create things. It's my hobby also. Programming is my job and my hobby. So um, I'm using these YouTube videos to learn English. So sorry if my English is not the best, but this video helps me a lot to improve it, I think. So I will coding and commenting. I am not focusing on telling exactly what I'm doing, but just some details. I just like to share with somebody what I'm doing actually. So let's go. Yeah. So I'm trying to create a table like this one or not this one. Let me see. A table that I can where I can select all the this table that I can select all the items inside it. Okay. So I copied some things, but when I try to enter on my table, it throws an error because there is something wrong, because there is a lot of things that I have didn't yet, and I need to fix. So let me check here the documentation. Let me close some things that I'm not going to use now. Okay. This thing also, I think I can close it. And here, let's see the code. Maybe not. There is another where I can select. I think that isn't. Let me see, because I think there is another one. This is not the only one. I copied from. Let me see from this one. Yeah. So I need to have in the data this selected. Okay. Selected is an array. Okay. So here in data I will have this array. And there is a problem because this is an object. Okay. And I need to import this ref. Nice. Okay, now what is the other thing I need to change? Element not exported. I think that is because I need to do this. Yeah, because the documentation is using view 3 and I'm not sure about which version I'm using. Let's see. View 3 also. Okay. Yeah, view 3. But since that this format is still compatible and it is the way people from Laravel implemented, it is the old way. So I am going to keep doing that way. We're still working. So here also I need to put this. And also here, this. Here I need to put these rows. Okay. So here I need to put the rows. The rows initially will be an empty array. I'm not sure about what this half is. Ref, I don't know. This is new to me. I never saw something like this. Okay, so rows will be an empty array. And now I need to fix the columns maybe, or it is already working. Let's see. It's not working. This slice is not a function. Oh, there is a lot of wrong things. Let me see. This is okay. I have tables, the rows, no, the rows. Okay. So here we're going to have tables. Tables is a property. Okay, so here instead of these rows, it will be these tables. Okay. And let me see. Okay, let me remove some columns with some string data. And what is this? Field row name. Maybe this is failing. What is row? Let me see. Okay, row is parameter. This is a function, yeah. Okay, let's see now what happens. Some promise. There is a promise failing. This slice is not a function. What is happening? Oh, it's impossible to read. Okay. This slice is not a function. Well, how is my... Okay. It is okay. I'm not sure about what I have here. So let me debug this. So let me print R. Let's see how you're going to print this. And a die. Let's see what is going to happen. Okay. So I have the items. Okay, so my rows. Let me use the echo and add a pre to make it looks a little beautiful. Okay, so I have inside directly, I have a property that is protected. Okay, but maybe if I try to access it here, I will be able to do it. So here, my tables.items maybe, yeah, and here there is a total maybe. Let me see here. So here I have the total of 10. Okay, so I need to use the total. Okay, yeah, the total tables.total. Okay, nice. Everything else is correctly. Okay, let's see. Okay, now it is loading. It seems that the problem that I had was if with the result I'm getting from the backend that was not compatible with the rows. Like, it's a no checked in here, I need to pass an array. So there's no data available. There are some things wrong. I don't know here what is wrong. Invalid property fail for prop tables spec array object got. Okay, what is wrong? Okay, this is an object. It's not an array. Nice. Now creating postable delete links as disencourage. So link a new table access issues. Inertia link. Okay, there's something wrong with this link. Creating post to not links. Okay. Like this is something that comes from. Oh, look what happens. This something comes from Laravel and is not being indicated. It's like the logout link is a post request, and like a post request link. That sounds strange, and here I'm receiving an alert because it's not indicated to use that kind of link of a post link. It's like strange, no? Sounds strange. Okay, so now let's see what can we put here. So I need to have the ID, okay? So the label will be the ID. Now the ID is like an internal information, yeah? So UID, I think, or not. Let me see. Create table. Identifier. So I'm creating my system in Spanish, so the names will not be like very clear for you. So the name of this column will be número. I'm not sure about the accentuation. Let me check on the Google, because my native language is Portuguese. I'm living in Argentina and I speak Spanish also, and I'm trying to learn English, yeah. So name required, I don't know about this required, what it means in this case, because I don't know if I can fill the fields here. No, I cannot add it. I don't know. I don't understand why required. Doesn't make sense to me. Okay, so the field will be, we can use a simple string that is identifier. Identifier. The format is okay, is alright. Sortable, I'm not going to sort by this one. Name desk, I have no idea why this, no, it seems to be the, okay, so here I'm going to use identifier required. I'm going to remove it because I have no idea what it is. So the line, I'm going to let it. Okay, I'm going to remove all these things, and let's copy this column. The next one I'm going to have is the okay, the description. That description. So description. Here this description. Okay, this way, and the field will be description. Now I'm going to add a new one, that is the UID. In this case will be the identificador. Identificador. Okay, the name seems to be switched, yeah, but I think it is okay. Identificador, and here I am going to have the UID. That is one ID that I'm going to use for a QR code. Okay. So now I think it's not necessary to put here the timestamps. I think doesn't make sense. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, it looks good. And the select is not working. I don't know why. Maybe it needs a model. No, I really don't know. Okay, let's keep doing it, and we are going to see what is wrong. Okay, so I have now my very really simple listening. What I need to add now is a link to add new records to this table. Let me see if I have here some type of example. Okay, so here I have a custom top. Yeah, I think this is what I'm going to use. So I have here inside the table I can put a template. Okay, so instead of close it here, I'm going to close it here. Then inside it I can put anything. Okay, so let's try first with okay, so here I need to come here and add to do check if validation is working. Also to do filter by logged user. Okay, nice. Nice. Later I think I will need to add like some page that can be accessed only by specific roles, because this is like interface for the client. So I will need to add like interface to me to administrate all these things in the application, you know. Let me check the YouTube if it is somebody watching or somebody is saying something. To YouTube Studio. Here I think. Okay. One person was watching, but probably was myself. I think nobody's live watching me, but that's no problem. It doesn't matter. It's only for me to train. Maybe somebody is going to open this video later to watch it. Okay, so filter by logged user. Nice. Now let's come here and remove all these things that I don't need. Nice. Okay, let's see how it looks. Okay, add row. Okay, so the title, what was the title? Let me see. This is a Qtable title. Okay, good to know. So here I can add a Qtable title. I don't know, maybe here it has something like that. Let's see. Well, it's not that way. Maybe title. Let's see. No, it's not that way. Okay, it doesn't matter. Let me see here. Q title table. Let's see title. Probably up. Q table, QTH, QTR. Okay, there is no way to put it, so it doesn't matter. Maybe an H3. Let's see how it looks like. Yeah, doesn't look good. Maybe an H5. Yeah, looks better. How can I add some space here? Maybe margin space. Okay, Q space. Okay, let's see how can I use it. Q space. Let's see how it looks like. Looks good. I like it. Okay, so agregar. This will be a link. Okay. To add a link, I need to do something like this. Okay. I don't like this. Maybe I need to check how can I put links using, yeah, it breaks my button. What happened? What is wrong? Redundant closing tag. Why? Maybe because of this. It doesn't make sense. I don't know what is wrong. So, a link. This link should close here. What is wrong? Let's see. Inner. What is the name of this? Let me see here. Inertia. Link. Creating links. So that way I don't like this way. Okay. Let's see. Can I fix this? I'm not getting what is wrong here. Doesn't make sense to me. What the fuck? Jesus. Okay, let me close. I'm not getting what is wrong here. Why it is not showing this link? Maybe I need to import this element. Yeah, of course. Okay. Okay, so here I need to import, and here I need to add this component link. Let's see now if it works. Yes, it works. Okay, so now I will add a create. Okay, a create route here, and Turkey, a new route, tables slash create, that we will use the create method, authenticated, and here create. Okay, let's go now to just this controller. Let me copy this, change the method name to create, and let's just render a view that is the tables create. Okay. Okay, so now I remember something I forgot in this table. I need to add the logged user. Okay, I will need to create a new migration to add this column to that table. We are going to see how to do it. Okay, so here I have this link that will redirect me to the create page. So let's create the create page. So here create, let me copy some things like this body, paste it here. Let me remove this part. I will need to copy the widget I'm using here. Here I'm going to have components, that is an object. Okay, authenticated layout. Okay, let's see, create page. Let's see if it works. Nice, it works perfectly. So now here we have to create a form. Okay. Okay. A very simple form with only 2 fields. So here I have form components. I have the input text field. That is the one I'm going to use now. I like this outlined. Looks beautiful. So let's copy it. Here I will put here, so here I'm going to have the numero. The number of the table is this. So here the model will correspond to an identifier. And also I will need a description field that will be a text area. That seems to be in this same section. Maybe input types. No. Text area. Nice. So here I will copy this text area, and maybe I can put outline it. Yeah, probably. And the model will be description, and the label will be description. Okay, nice. Here I will have to add the data, return this, and I will have the identifier to be by default an empty string, and also the description the same thing. Okay, there's something wrong probably with the data. Oh, there isn't. Okay, now recognize it. Let's see how it looks like. Something is wrong. Ref is not defined. Let's import it. Okay, let's wait for the indexing. Okay, nice. Now let's see. It works. It's not beautiful. Let's add here a space. Okay, Q space. That way, a shorter tag. This space doesn't seem to work anywhere. It's not the same thing anywhere. Okay, maybe here in space. Let me see. Maybe I need to specify where I want to put a space, yeah? Maybe not. Okay. So I need to work with margins. Okay. Okay. Let me see. Maybe here? No. Maybe if I search for padding, because they are in the same place. No, not here. Padding, 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 spacing. Ah, yeah, this is what I was searching for. So I wanna add a margin. So QMT MD. So let me remove this. Let me remove these break lines. I don't like all these break lines here. It doesn't seem to be necessary. And here I will put a class with Q, with MT and MD. Yeah, that's right. Let's see how it looks like now. Nice, looks beautiful, looks amazing. Let's use a H5 also to add a crear. What I did here, agregar. Okay, yeah, agregar is better than crear. Okay, let's add here also some margin. Let's see now. Okay, looks good, I think. Nice. Looks ugly, yeah? Yeah, looks really ugly. Well, we are going to see how to fix it later. Oh, looks really ugly. What is happening? Why this is happening here? Looks so ugly. I don't know why. Maybe something wrong with outlined. No. What the fuck? Maybe there is a CSS. Maybe something with the tailwind. Let's see what happens now. There is something wrong. Okay. So I will let this out from here because I don't want to use the tailwind components. Okay, I will remove all these components later. So instead of remove them, I will comment. Okay, and here I will need to fix some things that are not looking that beautiful. Okay, so there's too much space here. Maybe we can remove this class now. Let's see how it looks like. Oh, ugly, really ugly. Why that is all this space? The 8.5 has a lot of space. That is a problem. Okay, maybe I can use there are some classes that I can use, like the text, or I can just use this line maybe. Let's try the text h6. So let's pull a class. I think it looks the same as using an h6. Yeah, h5 maybe. Yeah, there's not too many the same margin. It looks better, I think. Okay, let's see this place now. The links looks horrible. Jesus Christ. How can I solve this problem with these links? It looks horrible. Let's see again. The inertia GS link. What is wrong with these links? Can I remove the style maybe? As bottom. Oh Jesus. Looks horrible. As bottom is even worse. Okay. Inertia GS Quasar. Links. Style. I don't like this style. Let's see, can we change it? It looks so horrible. Maybe I can use the things from Quasar. I don't need to use maybe the things from inertia. Let's see. Quasar. So bottom. Link. Let me see. So type. Okay. Let's see if can I solve it. Oh. So that way, let me copy this. Type A. And this is the URL. Let's see now. I think this will solve the problem. Yeah, kinda. The page is refreshing. I don't know why. Oh, Jesus. That's bad. This way it works. It's like, I don't know why they made this, because this made this made it this made it this made it so complicated. It's like, what is the difference? It's really, it is really strange. Let's see what is the difference. So type A. Okay. This need to work. This have to work. They are almost the same. There's no difference. Why they work different? Inertia.js link bottom. Inertia link beautify as okay. So maybe this is what I need to do. Maybe I need to put it as a cube button and add all this stuff on it, and it will work. Let's see. It's not even loading. Jesus, what happened? Okay, what happened? Why this? Why did it is? So it is here, but why I cannot see it? Okay, because it's rendering exactly as a cube button. It's not compiling to an HTML thing. Okay, that's bad. That's really bad. Okay. If you cannot fix it now, I will keep doing the other things, then fix it later. Maybe. Like looks ugly, breaks all the visuals, and I cannot change it. Let's see these tutorials if they talk about it. Let's see, let's search for link directly. So here, inertia link the guy use some class. Yeah, it seems that the guy is using Bootstrap, so he can use only the Bootstrap class and it work fine. Okay, let's see how much time I was streaming. 45 minutes, I think it is enough. Okay, so I think it is enough for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next streaming. Don't forget to subscribe so you can receive a notification when you